Hello boys and girls, I'm Mr. Swords and welcome to STEM. Today we're going to be talking about how do I edit in a PDF editor like Preview. Okay, right now we're looking at a picture, a JPG or JPEG. You can do many things with it in editing if you were to go to the toolbox. You can also rotate it if you want to, but we're going to use the markup toolbar. And what you can do from that is a couple of different things. You can sketch, so you can sketch freehand. If it recognizes a shape or a direction, it will straighten it out for you by clicking that. Let's say if I wanted to make a rectangle and I'm awful at making those, it will fix it for me. And I could change the color and outline thickness and color of the outline using these three parts here. Let's say I wanted it black and red and behind. So I can make a red rectangle with a black outline that's very thin using that. So let's say if I wanted to make some other shapes, I can use the shape tool that will give me all these different things here, as well as arrow lines and just regular lines. If I wanted to create a text box, so let's say if I'm using a text editor like, or if I'm using a PDF like this, I can just choose the T for a text box. I can put it right where I want to start typing and then stretch it the length I want it to go. And then I could choose this A button, and this will help me to change the font. Say I like Marian font. I could change the size, bold, italicize, underline. I could change justification, which is perfect for this particular context. And then I could type my answer to the question, well, how do I think energy will transfer from the computer to the motor? And I could just type away all my stuff, press the enter button, and fix accordingly by moving it later. So to do text, I click the text. To do drawings, I use the sketch or the geometry shape. To change the contents of the text boxes or shapes, I can use these three tools. To change anything else like fonts and everything else, I use the A. So with that, I hope that this was helpful for you in learning how to use the Preview editor for PDFs as well as JPEGs or other image files.